All right, what is up from Pokey Grandma? So, I've got a couple weird odds and ends packs to be opening today, and today's my dog's birthday. It's not actually my dog's birthday, but it's the day we're doing photos, and it's 2 days after. So, my baby boy, who is beside me, fighting for love, as he has all day, is 11 now. So we're doing a big photo shoot. Little bummed because I literally went all out on this, and you guys, bits and pieces of it are falling apart. Bought a cake, ordered it, specifically said the 10th. I go to pick it up today. I pull out the receipt. Didn't bother to look at the receipt before because I knew I'd paid for it. I knew what I said. I knew I'd ordered it. Blah, blah. It's the 19th. They put in the cake for pickup on the 19th. That is 9 days after I need it. So I'm canceling that cake order. And I'm glad I picked up other treats for him. So anyways, that's the only piece that's really fallen apart. So we're going to hope nothing else does. So I have, these are the MJ Holding. I've got 2 packs of those. Looks like I got those at Dollar General. I have 2 Vivid Voltage packages to open. And then I have, it's got a Fusion Strike, and it looks like it has, I can't remember the name of it, but there's another pack behind it. And it has a Celebi pin. So, and this one is saying it's from 2022. Which, these are 2020. These are 2022. But then I do also have these that I found the other day. So 15 cards plus promo. MJ Holding. These are from 2012, guys. So I'm excited to see what's in these. Real excited to see. On top of all those pack openings, random assortment, I have Pokemon Trick or Treat. And I figured, since we are in the month of October now, I'm going to open a couple of these and see what this year's packs hold. This is the new one. It's not from last year. Yeah, 23. So I'm excited. All right, let's get into these. I'm going to start with this one from the Dollar General. All right, we have a welcoming lantern. We have a doctor. Energy. Can stop being those. A Hitmontop. If my phone will focus. Hopefully. I don't know. My phone's doing some weird stuff lately. An Electabuzz. A Steenie. A Porygon. A Swirlix, and a Sneasel. Now, guys, with these ones, they're not guaranteed any shiny or nothing. It just says look for foil cards, which that is something that they changed, because there for a minute it had like plus foil card, or that's what they call it. So, all right, this one does have a foil card right up top. It is a reverse hollow Vibrava. I would also like to say with these packs of cards, they sometimes are like scratched up to hell. We have a single strike Scroll of the Fanged Dragon. The dog's throwing a fit because I'm not loving him. A Rayhan. Energy, an Applin, a Pikachu, a Cutie Fly, a Lombre, and a Vigoroth. My phone's really not doing well today, guys. I'm so sorry. I gotta like get it checked out. So, all right, and then I'm really excited for these ones. So, it says 15 cards plus promo. So, I just had a spider crawling on me. That could be from 2012. That could be like, I could be turning into Spider-Woman. Oh my god. Alright, so. What liars? 2012, my booty. This is from 2022, this card. Shysters. Alright. Reverse Hollow Executor. Evolution Incense. Berry. Energy. 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 Those so far have been the oldest cards. Now I'm like creeped out. The oldest cards in this package from 2019. A Wingull, Gothita, Vanillite, Bunnelby, Passimian, Deino, Toxapeck, Parasect, Phantom, and Ariados. Literally the oldest cards in there was 2019. So, yeah, my excitement for pack 2 just went through the toilet and the gutter of New York City. What are you doing? He's like, not happy right now. He goes, I don't know what you're doing, but it's not petting me and it's not the right thing. That's not what you're supposed to be loving me and only me. All right. This one's pretty cool. I don't have this. Again, it's not that old though. A Hollow Appleton. We have a Bug Catcher. We have a Doctor. Energy. 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 A Nickit, Mudbray, Oshawott, Heracross, Tallow, Wingull, Rotom, Cramorant, a Coughing, and a Yanma. And honestly, the oldest one in that was 2020. So, lies and lies and all the lies. All right. So, those were those packs. Now onto the normal packs. So, these should be decent. So, we're going to do a Vivid Voltage. I've not had good luck with these. So, we'll see. But I'm not really expecting much. This, what year was this? 2020. So, no. Pack art. Let's see what we get. These are so much easier to open. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we have an Energy. We have a Hitmontop with the trainer and back. We have a Magcaro. We have a Swoobat. We have a Poochyena. A Voltorb. A Rockruff. You know, okay, I just actually realized that that is a cutie fly in the photo with it. I've always thought it was just like a flower. It's a cutie fly with it. Things you notice. A Talo, a Yanma, yeah, I just got a good one. My look has changed with this pack. Okay, I don't even know. It's like, okay, it is a hollow, like, amazingly hollow, Jirachi. And I really wish I would zoom in and focus and like work right. Really wish it would. Because it's not giving the full effect. My phone is messed up right now. That is beautiful. Beautiful. I've never gotten something like that from these packs. And then this is actually considered a rare as well, which the art is cool, and I definitely don't have this one. Metagross. My phone's not focusing, you guys. I'm so sorry. All right. Chilling Rain. That was the other one in here. And then you've got your little Celebi clip, which Celebi is one of my favorites and probably the reason I bought this pack. Not gonna lie. Let's do Chilling Rain. I have like mediocre luck with this. I'm saving the Fusion Strike just because that's not what I usually have luck with, but it's just because I'm unlucky. It's what I've discovered. All right. 234. We have an Energy. Set that up there too. We have a Brawly, a Haunter, a Fire Resistant Gloves. Those would be nice for camping. A Groki, Mareep, a Rockruff, a Swirlix. Oh, I like this one just because it's got the trainer in the background too. A Lapras. Okay. And then we have a reverse hollow Galarian Farfetch'd, as well as a rare hollow single strike Beedrill. This one is not doing it. Just not doing it today. All right. And then, you know what? We had good luck with the other one. Let's see what we get from this one. Vivid Voltage. I'm not expecting the same luck. One, two, three, four. Energy. Oh, I like this one. It's an uncommon, but it's a Cramorant swallowing that fish Pokemon. I don't know the name right off head, but Kakuna. Oh, it shows the town in the background. A Kirchester Bath. A Joltik. A Weedle. A Talo, a Sandile, an Oshawott, and then we have a uncommon reverse hollow Krokorok. And then this is saying it's rare, but it's not hollow Flareon. It's not zooming in well, guys, but you guys can kind of see what what it's supposed to look like. So, all right, Fusion Strike. Let's see if this is the one. Guys, one of the cards is fucked up. Oh. Okay. Energy. But this is the one that's messed up. None of the others are, but it's like messed up. Okay. It's a double, but like, and of course it's not zooming in well, but you can see it's like bent there. Weird. I don't know where I bought that from. Okay. Spongy gloves. A frost moth. I actually like the art on this. Onyx makes me think of Brock, which that's going back, but those are my OGs. A Jigglypuff. This is different art than any of the other ones. I have two, but it's a Durant. A Pansier. We have a Minim. Okay, and then we have a rare reverse hollow single strike Melmetal, as well as rare no hollow Cloyster, which I do like the art on this one. So pretty neat. All right, so that is the normal ones for those. Now we are gonna do a couple of these. Let's see what we get. These ones I do know they have a lot of repeats. It is what it is. I think I'm gonna do 4. So, and they come with 3 cards each. That's what the pack art looks like this year. So, and they will have the little pumpkin on them indicating that that's a special for the Halloween ones. So, all right. What Pokemon surprises hide inside? Halloween night is filled with frightful delight as ghostly Pokemon and their friends join the fun. Gengar, Mimikyu, Poltergeist, Graveyard, and a horde of other shadowy Pokemon bring tricks and treats for the spookiest celebration of the year. And Pikachu's tagging along too. Pikachu looks terrified. Alright, so we have a Lampent. We have, it's considered rare, Hollow Houndstone. And then a Drifloon for the first one. So, pretty cool. I'm just here to tell you, I wish things like this existed when I was trick-or-treating, because I would have loved getting Pokemon cards as a kid for trick-or-treating. Better than a king-size candy bar. Just saying. A Phantom. Ooh, I do like this one. It's a rare hollow Spectrier. It's not zooming in well today. Drifblim. Right. Number 3. Have you guys ever heard about, like, so the story behind, like, Drifloon and Drifblim is, like, they're there if a child's soul needs carried away. It's essentially saying a child has died, and that's why they're appearing. Fucking morbid. Alright. Zubat, I do like the art on this, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, so we have a hollow Pikachu. And then a Miss Magius, which I like that one too. It's showing like with the lighthouses in the background and the wind turbines on top. Pack number 4. So this is the last one. Let's see what we have. All right, we have a Delmise. We have a Hollow Trevenant. And then we have Murkrow, which I do like the art of that one. There's just like, it's like the birds, just tons of birds flying down at you, which would be terrifying in real life. But all right, so that's what we have now. I will say coming up, I do have the Ultra Premium 151 collection that we are going to be opening at some point, and I'm very excited for that. I do have the holiday calendar coming up. I'm thinking that's probably gonna be a November thing because I cannot wait and I'm impatient, so whatever. So we're gonna do that. And then I still need to do a show and tell of the box that I have waiting with all of the packs, additional packs, which honestly some of these trick or treat card ones are going in there too, as they did last year. And then yeah, go from there. So if you're opening anything, want to show me, show your Poké Grandma, I'm excited and I look forward to it. So until then.